door tomorrow morning, actually, across northern parts of Britain, because we could well see some snow around, but quite a mix really through this weekend, a typical early spring mix, in fact. Some mild weather, some rain, some sunshine in between, so really a bit of everything. Not much sunshine around this afternoon, though, fairly cloudy skies generally, and we're starting to see some rain now coming in across the northwest of Scotland. It'll set in across Northern Ireland through this afternoon too, but taking its time really to work its way southwards across England and Wales. So many areas here probably staying dry until after dark. Fairly mild too. We're certainly seeing 13, the odd 14 across parts of East Anglia and the southeast of England, so fairly mild here. Further north being a little bit cooler perhaps with the strength of the wind coming in from the southwest. But those sort of temperatures really way behind what we've been seeing across Eastern Europe. 29 degrees there on the shores of the Black Sea. That's about 20 degrees above the average for this time of the year. It's going to cool down a little bit here over the next few days, but at the same time it starts to warm up across the Alps. Perhaps not so good for the ski resorts here, but that warm weather eventually pushing up into southern parts of the UK as well. So something to look forward to there for the early part of next week. Tonight, though, it's going to turn quite chilly. The sky's clear, a bit of frost through Scotland, through Northern Ireland, through some parts of the Midlands as well. We need to clear the cloud and the rain first of all, though. That'll take a little while to push through during the night. But then later on, those skies clearing before this next little weather system begins to push in from the west. And we're really going to need to watch this thing. Some pretty cold air on its northern edge. It's going to have some strong winds wrapped in around it as well. And there is potential for a spell of fairly heavy snow across Northern Ireland, some northern parts of England, perhaps into southern Scotland for a time as well. Could be up to 5 to 10 centimetres across the higher ground over a space of a couple of hours, with some strong winds pushing in behind as well. So keep an eye on that, but apart from that rather nasty area of weather, we'll see some showers packing in behind that across most of Scotland, Northern Ireland, perhaps eastern Scotland not seeing too many of those. And across the rest of England and Wales, well, a dry, bright early start to the day, band of showers pushing through and then turning brighter again afterwards, but everywhere I think feeling colder in a fairly brisk wind. The winds, though, start to come in from the southwest again for the second half of the weekend, so generally milder for Sunday. Best of any brightness across England and Wales, particularly the southeast. It'll be quite mild here as well. Rather wet further north, though. Quite a wet day for Northern Ireland and much of Scotland. A bit brighter here by Monday, and there's that milder weather beginning to nudge in from the south.